So I've been a little bit slacking on the updates or the videoing, but I have the VR4 in the paint booth again. The quarters are all ready, everything's ready. I'm going to go to dinner, come back, mask the car off like I did last time, and then pretty much go from there and reshoot it, hopefully tonight, if not tonight. I really hope I can get this done tonight. Just depends on how long it takes to mask. I think last time it took me like almost 6 hours to mask it. Just got back from dinner, here working on the VR4, about to mask it off and get it ready to spray. Well, respray. I'm not respraying the roof. Pretty much gonna mask everything that is not, you know, not dull off, and like the door sill right there, and the roof laid out really nice. I don't need to respray it, and the only thing that's really gonna get resprayed is the quarters and those parts of the you know, the door sill that were really lightly cleared. R4 is almost ready to paint. I've been masking it off, putting on jack stands, pulling the wheels off, getting it pretty much ready so I don't get overspray on anything I don't want overspray on. And I mean, I've been working on this since 7:30. It is now 10:30, so it just shows you how much time just goes into getting it ready. If I could literally just paint it, it wouldn't take that long. So just all the prep before you can actually paint is the biggest issue. So I'm going to finish masking this door right here off, and this I'm just going to put some plastic on, connect it to the tape, and I should be ready to put some cleaner on it, tack rag it, and then respray the quarters and all the stuff that I'm going to spray. So getting close. I'm excited. Can't wait. I'm also going to get the bumper ready so I could spray it with the other stuff, but I'll probably end up doing that tomorrow really quick. We'll see what happens with this tonight. Hopefully I don't run into any issues. I'm pretty much, you know, just crossing my fingers. Hopefully everything goes well. Okay, so I got those all nice and laid out, and then this driver's side quarter laid out really nice. There's a few little dusties that I want to cut out of it, but this side laid out really nice, other than this damn low run right there. So I think what's going to happen is tomorrow I will come in and wet sand both the quarters, but everything else looks like it's okay. I just need to you know, fix that little spot right there because it's going to screw me later. I left this to dry overnight. I'm going to have to scuff it, whatever. I'm going to not wet sand, I'm going to have to scuff. And you can see right here, there's a little dusty, and there's a few little dusties. There's actually a large one right there, so that'll be good to sand all that out. And after I do that, I'll spray the color, spray the clear. Hopefully I'll be a little more careful this time spraying the clear so I don't get any runs, hopefully. Fingers crossed. I'm just learning as I go, like I've said before. And this stuff really laid out nice though. So the car is ready to go. I'm about to mix some paint, and my friend gave me this cool little thing for the gallon. You know, they come so full, you'd waste so much just spilling it, because it's almost impossible to do it without one of these when they're a full gallon. So yeah, full gallon. I have this, some of the reducer, and or stabilizer, whatever you want to call it. And now I'm going to start. So the quarters are resprayed. In the camera, it looks kind of blue instead of purple. Well, now it looks pink. I don't know what's up with my camera. I think I need a new one. But so far, I haven't found any runs. So I have 2 coats of clear on it, and it laid out really nice. You could see that laid out really nice from 5 feet away. Just kidding. No, no, it laid out really nice. So I, you know, in like 2 hours, I'll be able to inspect it a little bit better. I really don't want to be in here while it's drying, so I don't get any like dust off me, if there is any, or like eyelash, whatever on there. But yeah, I should be able to. It's production clear. So, and I fixed, you see those aren't dry anymore. They're nice and glossy. And hopefully I don't have any runs. I'll be really excited. All right, so I bought this brand new bumper a while ago. People are selling used bumpers for as much as you can still get these from Mitsubishi. So, I mean, I got a brand new one. Don't have to really worry about fixing anything, any like nicks or, you know, anything like that. So the plan is I'm going to, I just finished respraying the car. So this right here that's matte black, I need to, well, I'm going to do the tuxedo black instead. So it will be glossy instead of matte, but it'll still be black. So this is just the matte black, and then the bumper will be purple. I'm going to, you know, their masking job for Mitsubishi, they didn't really do that great of a job, but hopefully I could do a little bit better. I'm going to scuff this now. Well, not scuff it, but sand it with some, ooh, look, they had a little dusty in there. Look at that. Man, Mitsubishi, where's it at? Yeah, look at that little fisheye right there that they got in the factory bumper. So, gonna hit this with some 800, get it all nice and smooth. Then hopefully tonight I could seal it, and tomorrow I could throw some paint and clear on it, and you know, it'll be, you know, look just as good, but purple. Little fish eyes, but they're for the license plate holes, so I'm gonna have to put a little icing in them, scuff them, and give them a little icing. Okay, so last night I resprayed the VR4. I think it came out very nice. So now I'm gonna unwrap it, and well, it's like Christmas. I get to unwrap the present. So I need to take all the masking paper off, put the wheels back on it, roll it out. I'm going to now do the bottom of the hatch, and then the bumper, hopefully. So the hatch, I just need to scuff and mask the top off and spray the bottom. The bumper I need to seal, and I have some other stuff I need to seal as well, so I'll do that all at the same time. But first, I'm gonna wrap this baby. So I fully scuffed the hatch, well, sanded and scuffed the bottom of the hatch, so it is ready to, I believe I'm going to seal it. I'm not exactly sure. I'm kind of on the edge of sealing it and not. Since it's the bottom, it really doesn't matter, and since it's kind of, you know, it's already sealed, it's just, I'm going to blend it in. I'll have to decide. The front bumper, though, I filled those little holes with some little icing. They're for the little indentions, so you know where to drill the license plate holes. And I didn't want them to be in my new paint, so now they are gone. And I've been kind of scuffing this, kind of 600 gritting it so I could get it down. You know, the smoother it is, the better results you get in the end. And you could tell there's a little bit of factory orange peel. So the smoother I can get it, the better. And just kind of been, you know, working as I go. And I believe the original color of the bumper is black, but I think they just leave that, you know, the original color, and then they paint the rest. All these bumpers come red, which is weird. And some more. Oh, I also put some icing in that hole on this. So I just finished sealing the bumper and all the rest of the stuff. I had an issue with the cowl cover. I think some WD-40 got on it yesterday because it like was not happy. So you can see right there, it didn't want to adhere, so I'm gonna have to sand that down. But the rest of everything else I think is all right. The windshield wipers, these, the hatch over here, there's some bare metal spots, so I put some sealer in those spots, and tomorrow I could base it. Right now it started to rain pretty decent, and I don't want to pull the car out because of the whole issue with it doesn't have any windows in it and it's raining. But I got that thing sealed, that little handle thing, the rear trim thing sealed for the back glass. That it's gonna be tuxedo black, and then the bumper. Look at the bumper. That is nice. So I wish I wasn't gonna resand the bumper. I don't need to, but to get that little edge from the prior, you know, they had that not painted. I'm gonna have to get in there and sand that. Plus, then I could sand all the orange peel out, but there isn't much. It laid out really nice, and I think it should be all right. And then this thing laid out really nice. I think everything laid out nice except for that cowl cover. So tomorrow I should be able to do some colors. So that's it for today's video. I'm pretty excited that I got the quarter panels run free. It just takes a little bit of practice to learn how to paint, I guess. Trevor's kind of helping me, and I'm kind of teaching myself. So I'm glad it came out this time. Also, I'm really excited to get the bumper and the rest of the stuff painted. So once I get everything sanded tomorrow, I should be able to spray color and then have it all nice and painted. I should be able to take the car home maybe like Tuesday or Wednesday, which will be awesome, and put the wing back on it, and then all that stuff. So if you like the videos, make sure to subscribe, comment below. Also, next to the subscribe button is a bell, gets you notifications when I post new videos. I also have a Patreon, the link is in the description, and see you guys tomorrow.